Control the floor heating switch and temperature anytime, anywhere within the range of Wi-Fi. Smooth operation without delay. Child lock can be set on the app to prevent accidental touch of the thermostat. You can freely program the floor heating working mode on the app to save energy and costs. This means you can program your thermostat to automatically adjust the temperature when you wake up, leave for work, come home, and go to bed.
Alexa, turn on the bedroom thermostat. Alexa, set bedroom temperature to 30 degrees Celsius. Alexa, turn off bedroom floor heating.